Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this electric spin brush. I've got the handle extended all the way. I'm in my shower. Let's clean it. You're first going to turn it on, then you got to select the mode. 1, 2, 3, and then back to off. So let's go to 3. Again, I really like the long handle. I'm not bending over. It's very powerful. I can go up the wall. Okay, so I changed the head. I got the flat one on. I've got it on medium speed. Now I can clean the floor. Again, super powerful. When I'm done, I can go and I can start and clean the walls. Again, look how long that handle is. Wow. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the Keimi or Keimi spin scrubber. So this, to charge it, you do have to take this part off. And there's where the USB-C is. But this is kind of a nice feature. You can have it be a handheld scrubber. Put the cap on. This part here can get wet. Again, you turn it on, it's got a display, then you got a low speed, medium speed, high speed. And it does talk to you. Yeah, it's really powerful. It is gripper right here. And when you want to make it onto an extension, push this on. Now this is with it's all the way, it's at a fixed angle, and that's about 40 inches long. I can really extend this to several different indentations. So that ends up being extremely long. About 50 inches long. And it's metal. It is nice and powerful.
Power ready, low speed, medium speed.
You can see the metal handle is pretty strong. Got several different attachments. It does come with the USB-C cable to charge it, but you've got to plug this into a wall outlet. 5 volts, 1 amp. This is, and then these are really easy to change out. Just pull them off. They do stick on there pretty good, which is good, was what you want. There's like the Velcro. We've got this really soft one if you want to do some really soft cleaning. Got this big, the bristle brush here. Push it on. So lots of different options here. I am very happy with this electric spin brush. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.